I was born for you, you were made for me. Even though we look at love so differently, you say love is chance, a riddle in a ring. I know love is at the heart of everything. And every time I look into your face, a feeling comes and takes me out of time and out of space. Whenever we're here together, I know this will be forever. When hearts collide, the world around you shatters. When hearts collide, love is all that matters. A miracle of two, the universe of me and you. You are silver blue, I am golden green. Together we make all the colors in between. Every time we touch, everything we see turns to magic. This is lover's alchemy. I see you there in everything I do, and all I want is just to spend eternity with you. You know it's not very far, it's right here where we are. When hearts collide, the world around you shatters. When hearts collide, love is all that matters.